Hello everyone, so today we are back with another case study, and this time we will let you know how we have got almost 70 plus leads for a cleaning business at the CPA of 25 only. In terms of the client introduction, our client approached us with a challenge struggling to get leads through the SEO. They actually needed a quick and effective solution to boost their cleaning business. With a fresh start, we embarked on creating a successful PPC campaign to address their immediate lead generation needs. We suggested the Google ads for them. Given the urgency of the client's requirement, we recommended leveraging the power of Google ads for quick and targeted lead ads. Google ads offers a robust platform for reaching potential customers actively seeking for cleaning services, providing a valuable avenue to get high quality leads. So now, in terms of the challenges that we have faced, first is the limited online presence. The client faced challenges in establishing a significant online presence and struggled to capture the potential customers actively searching for cleaning services. The next is the lead generation time frame. The client needed leads quickly and could not afford a lengthy lead generation process. So now, in terms of the solutions that we have given, first is the Google Ads strategy. We have developed a comprehensive Google Ads strategy focusing on relevant keywords and creating compelling ad creatives to maximize the client's visibility among potential customers. The next is the ad copy optimization, crafting the compelling ad copies that highlighted the client's unique selling proposition and value proposition to stand out in the competitive market. The next is the target keyword selection, conducting thorough keyword research to identify and target the most relevant and high performing keywords in the cleaning services industry. So now, in terms of the results, our PPC campaign delivered the outstanding results, generating over 70 high quality leads for the cleaning business. The combination of strategic planning and the targeted ads and effective keyword selection contributed to a significant increase in the lead acquisition. There are some top performing keywords like professional cleaning services, commercial cleaning solutions. The top performing campaign, the campaign that consistently outperformed the others, was the Express Cleaning Solution campaign. This campaign strategically targeted the most relevant keywords and showcased compelling ads, resulting in a high CTR and that lead to a conversion. The top performing ads, a targeted audience emphasizing the client's quick and reliable cleaning services. In summary, our tailored Google AdWords strategy successfully addressed the client's immediate lead generation needs, providing a rapid and effective solution to boost their cleaning business. This results achieved underscored the power of a well executed PPC campaign in delivering tangibly and timely business outcomes. So after setting up the campaigns using the best PPC practices and running the campaign for a few months, we have been able to get almost 70 plus leads at the CPA of around $25. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.